Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about again the light.
what is light part 2?
So learn with various activities.
Yep.
Let's go started. So fill in the gaps. 1. So something that produces its own light is known as a of light.
A blink of light.
What is that? Number 1, sun. Number 2, friend. Number 3, bright. And number 4, source.
I know what they mean by friend.
Friend lights you up.
No, friends make you bright.
Yeah,
It
so
can
which
make
one
you
is the answer, Lina? Tell me.
Number 1 and 8.
No, 4. Number 4, source of light.
It gets its own light.
Known as a source of light.
Yeah, but that's what I think.
You're confused. That's what sun you
No,
think.
I think it's sun.
But I think number 4. So let's see which one is the right.
No, it's sun.
Let's see. So the correct answer to fill is the gap is source.
Oh, I got it wrong. Just kidding.
The next. So fill in the gaps. Number 2. What is it? Let's press it. So fire, lamps, and fill in the gaps are all examples of sources of light. So number 1, drinks. Number 2, radios. Number 3, stars. And number 4, books.
Stars.
So fire, lamps, and stars are all examples of. So I believe that too. Good, the stars. So next, fill in the gap. Number 3.
What?
The light travels in that fill in the gap lines. So number 1, zigzag.
Straight.
Number 2, straight. Number 3, curve. Or number 4, bendy.
I already said it.
Picture saying bendy? I don't think so. Maybe straight. Number 2. Let's see the answer. What?
Oh.
The correct answer is a straight line. So number 4, light is the fastest thing in the
universe.
Wait, number 1, world. Number 2, country. Number 3, universe. Or number 4, town.
It's 3.
I think it's 1. I think it's 1.
It's number 3. That's
So
my opinion, and it's numbers.
Let's see. Let's see what's the answer. Whoops! What? The
Then
correct answer is universe.
This is a whole universe.
Who ever seen the universe in the world? Okay, what is a light source?
Something
Number 1, something that reflects light. Number 2, something that absorbs light. Number 3, something that produces light.
1 and number and also letter A.
I think it's 3. Yeah, something that produces light.
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah. You look at that and it boom. Blink, blink, blink.
It actually kind of hurts my eye.
So number 2, peace out, light out. What is that, Nina? So which of these is a source of light?
The sun, the moon, the earth. That was the sun was number 1.
Of course,
the moon is number 2.
it's the sun. What do you think? Okay, let's see. Yeah, the sun. Of course, one and only sun is the source of light.
Now it's quiz 3.
Which is not a light source. Fireflies,
3.
tree, light bulbs. 3. Correct.
It's 3. Number
You're
2
right.
and B.
Yeah, so that light bulbs are actually a source of light. Number 4.
The cutie part.
Which of these facts about light is true? So number 1, it travels in straight lines. Number 2, it bends around corners. Or number 3, it is slow.
And in the other video, it said it's really, really fast.
Oh yeah.
1 second in 7 times around the whole universe.
Yeah. So number 1, I believe.
I believe it's number 1.
Right.
It's
So light travels very fast in a straight line. So have a look around wherever you are right now. Now tell us how many sources of light can you see? So Lena, so right now we are in the room.
There's actually 4 lights, but
What are they?
But there's only 1 for the whole thing. So it's
So
1.
light bulbs.
2.
2 is the computer.
Well, smartboard. I'm gonna
Smart
draw
board.
these. So just wait. Let me draw them.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna draw light bulbs since these are basically light bulbs.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to draw light bulbs.
Yeah, that's okay, Lena. So number 3 is cell phone,
Yeah, cell phone. Let me draw it. Just wait.
computer, right?
Can you wait?
Mhm.
And off.
Yeah, that's okay. You don't have to draw it.
And then the smart board.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually how it looks like.
Camera.
Wait. I'm saying right.
Nice computer.
It's a smart board.
Yeah.
And then a computer.
So try to explain how this source gives us of light. So how you think this smart board giving a light?
Electricity.
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 Bulb is also electricity. Mm-hmm. And how about the cell phone?
No, not electricity.
Tricky. Why? How come cell phone giving a light? How? Battery.
Yeah, battery.
You have to charge the battery.
I forgot about it.
Yeah.
And phone. Well, we just said that.
Yeah, and then sometimes we have also candle downstairs.
Yeah, and computers.
Yeah, the candles too.
Well, not same thing as this. Same thing as these. And then I have more.
What?
No, let's just take out these since we already know them.
Mm-hmm.
Because I need more space. And then something that's not in this room is what I would really like to draw. Oh, yeah.
TV? Is it a TV?
No,
What is it?
it's not in this room. It's not downstairs. It's somewhere in my
Mirror? What is it?
I said it before the video started.
Mirror. What is that? iPad. Uh-huh. And the candle too. Candle is downstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Candle
Yeah, candle. How candle is getting light?
on fire. Wait for that.
Yeah. Does it use electricity? Is it on fire like sun?
Like the
Yes,
sun.
electricity and the fire.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, so thank you very much for the watching, and then
That's
we'll
it.
learn lots of things about light.
And that way there's a part 3 of light video. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye.